Harneet S. Panesar, Professional Engineer.
My name's Harneet Panesar. I'm an electrical engineer. I specialize in power systems engineering primarily, and I've been a volunteer with PEO for over a decade now. So my motivation really for pursuing engineering was a long line of engineers from which I come from. My family has been in the engineering profession for a very long time, and I also really enjoy the technical aspects that engineers get to work in. I started off in the control system and robotics industry, mostly working in manufacturing facilities, building automotive robotic equipment. In my early days, I started off doing technical studies, looking at load connection, generation connections, and I spent a lot of time doing reliability studies for the utility. From that, I started to move on to some of the business work that I've done, and currently I'm the Chief Operating Officer for the Ontario Energy Board. So the work I did as the chair for the government liaison program in our chapters, I think, had the biggest impact, and where I've really been able to help contribute is to build those relationships with members of parliament to really help in making sure that they're well aware of the issues that we are dealing with and tackling as a self-regulated profession. I'd say the most rewarding work that I've done has been with the License Assistance Program, helping new EITs and foreign-trained engineers get their license. I'm a big believer in helping the next generation. I also spend a lot of my time teaching. I'm a big believer in building the next generation of engineers. It's going to help Ontario grow. And as a proud Canadian engineer, I think Canadian engineers can play a big role globally. Helping build that labor and that workforce in Ontario has been really rewarding for me. So when I heard I was going to be inducted, I was first off really excited. I couldn't believe it. I've seen others that have been inducted, and there are some amazing engineers that are already part of it. So to be part of that team and to be part of that order, I was flattered and really, really happy.
I've known Harneet since university. Even then, he was a driven person with exceptional clarity and a sense of purpose. He exemplifies the PEO's principles through action, cares about making a difference and being an ally to everyone he can. I remember one time when he invited me to one of his lectures at Metropolitan University. Though the course ended at 8 o'clock, he stayed past 9:30 that night to help a student with their Keystone design. Now, I knew he had a young family like me, and when I asked him about it, he said, "I'm exhausted, but it's more important that everyone feels supported at every step." He continues to channel his passion for learning towards progress in his work and has demonstrated this with over 10 years of volunteering with the PEO. He has held various positions in the East Toronto and Toronto Humber chapters and is currently the Chief Operating Officer at the Ontario Energy Board, Ontario's independent economic energy regulator. One of my fellow nominators who worked with Harneet in an executive capacity described him as upholding the highest ethical and integrity standards. At the OEB, Harneet exemplifies these qualities and works to protect the public interest by seeking to deliver safe, reliable, and affordable energy for Ontario's growing economy. Caring about others and our profession makes Harneet an exceptional leader and deserving of the Order of Honor from the PEO.
For his service and dedication to his chapter and the profession, Harneet Panesar is being inducted as a member of the Professional Engineers Ontario Order of Honor.